Now, if you look at your print, this is why I say you need to use a marker so you know where everything goes. All I have to do now is cut this slot in there. So I'm gonna touch off on the top of my part, go down 460 thou, probably stepping it down in probably 50 thou increments. And I have to be 3/8 away from this edge, so 0.375 away plus half my end mill. So I've already edge fined the back left, and now I'm going to go 0.375 plus half of my end mill, so that'd be 0.1875, and that is 562 thou. So I'm going to move away in my X, 562 thou. And if this had to be perfect, what I would do is I would leave 5 thou stock everywhere, rough it out with a roughing end mill, and then come in there with a finishing end mill, doing the exact same thing, except skimming it and then checking it with gauge blocks. But because this doesn't matter, and it's just fit on the jaw, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of finish as I go. And Y direction really doesn't matter because it's a through slot. So I'm going to use my knee, and I'm going to touch off on the top of my part and zero out my knee. So I touched. Now I'm gonna turn my spindle off, zero out my knee. So I'm gonna loosen the lock, go to 0. And now from this position, I wanna go down 460 thou. So I'm gonna turn my spindle on. I'm gonna go about 2,000. And I'm gonna take it in 50 thou increments, and let's see how it cuts. So now we're going to start side milling so that we can get our 760 thou. Now you have to remember you already have a 3/8 slot in there, so really what you need to do is go ahead and zero out your X. And we're going to go 760 minus 3/8. Now I'm just going to take a few spring passes on my final pass. And then I'm going to stop the spindle and check it with Joe blocks. See if I need to take any more. Now you can go ahead and check which vise you want to put this on and make sure that it will fit with Joe blocks. Now we do have one more thing that we do need to do, and it is going to be cutting this step right here. So now all we have to do is figure out what the distance is from where we're at right now to the top of this, and then we're just going to side mill it off. Okay, after that, all you have to do is deburr it, and then we're just going to drill mill a few edges, and it will be finished. It's 250 thou from the very top down. So now I'm just going to get it to where I'm conventional cutting, and then I'm just going to side mill this entire lip off. And I left 10 thou so I can take a 10 thou finish pass all at once.